Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk and Learn English Learning Channel. Today, we are going to practice how to talk about your daily routine in English. Hi, I'm Emily. How are you, John?
Hello, Emily. I'm fine, thank you. My name is John. Today I'll share my daily routine in English.
That's great. Let's start.
What time do you usually wake up, John?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
And what do you do right after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make a cup of coffee.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I usually eat eggs and bread, sometimes with fruit.
What time do you go to work?
I leave home around 8:30 and arrive at the office by.
How do you go to the office, John?
I take the bus. It takes about 20 minutes.
After work, what do you usually do in the evening?
I come home, relax for a while, then cook dinner.
Do you watch TV at night?
Sometimes. But usually I read a book or study English before sleeping.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m.
Vocabulary section.
Vocabulary, phrases, 8 to 12 words. 1. Wake up to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 every day. 2. Brush teeth, clean your teeth. Example, she brushes her teeth twice a day. 3. Wash face, clean your face with water. Example, he washes his face in the morning. 4. Have breakfast, eat food in the morning. Example, they have breakfast at 8 a.m. 5. Leave home, go out of the house. Example, I leave home for work at 9. 6. Arrive at, reach a place. Example, we arrive at school at 8:15. 7. Take the bus, travel by bus. Example, she takes the bus to work. 8. Relax, to rest or take it easy. Example, I relax after work by listening to music. 9. Cook dinner, prepare food in the evening. Example, he cooks dinner at 7 p.m. 10. Go to bed, lie down, to sleep. Example, children go to bed early. Practice section repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take the bus to work. Now answer these questions. 1. What time do you wake up? 2. Do you eat breakfast every day? 3. How do you go to work or school? 4. What do you usually do in the evening? Today, we learned how to talk about your daily routine in English. We practiced a full conversation, learned useful vocabulary, and made many example sentences. Now it's your turn. In the comments, write your daily routine in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.